Hello students, very warm welcome to Sorcer's classes. Welcome to Sorcer's classes. Very warm welcome to Sorcer's classes. In today's video, we are going to discuss some important questions from ISI B STAT 2019 paper. So this year in ISI B STAT during the exam of B STAT, the questions which were given, we'll be discussing those questions, and we'll be discussing 3 questions in this video: question number 10, question number 11, and question number 12. So 3 questions we are going to discuss in this video. So this is going to be a very interesting and very important video for all the ISI aspirants who are dreaming of appearing into ISI and getting into the prestigious University of Indian Statistical Institute. And it's a very big opportunity for you to learn some new things from the platform of Sorcer's classes, and for that only we have come here for you people through video medium. And I hope that you will understand these topics over here, and be ready with your paper and pen, because it's going to be a long video, because 3 questions we are going to solve, and in this video we are going to give you the full solution, that is complete solution of each and every question. Complete solution. We are not giving any solution, any suggestion, or any tips, or any tricks, or any hints at how to do it. We are giving a full solution. Just note it down, the solution, because even if it is an MCQ based question, but we are giving a full solution, we would have easily given the answer key, but no, we believe in concept making. So because concept is very important in any competitive examination, it helps you to crack the examination, and for clearing the concept, we are giving you the full solution, and so that you can have a strong base of what the subject matter is. So that's why we are giving you complete solution, and you will be given some tips and tricks at how to crack the question. Okay, tips and tricks on how to crack the question, and time management will also be there. Time management, how to manage times during exams, because time is a big and vital factor over here, because you have limited amount of time and you have to solve 30 questions, out of which some questions are really very difficult. So time management is very important. Now let's move to the question and read the first question, to question number 10, and find that what should be done for solving this question. So question number 10 goes something like this, that for a real number theta, so there is a real number, say it is theta. Okay, it is already given in the question that real number is theta. Consider the following simultaneous equations. So 2 simultaneous equations has been given, that is cos theta x minus sin theta y equal to 1, and sin theta x plus cos theta y equal to 2. So these 2 simultaneous equations has been given to us. So the number of solution of these equations in x and y should be what? So what should be the number of solutions in x and y? Whether it will be 0, or is it 1, or is it infinite for some values of theta, or it is finite only for the theta m pi by n for integers m and not equal to 0, which is n. So this is the first part of the question. Now going to the solution part. Okay, solution. Now pair of equations can be written as a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Now have a unique solution if it will have a unique solution if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Okay, now in our case, suppose a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, that is when a2 not equal to 0 and b2 not equal to 0. Okay, then it can be written as, because in our question it was given to be sin theta and cos theta, so in place of a1 we are writing cos theta, in place of a2 we are writing sin theta, and here we are writing minus sin theta by cos theta. So if we cross multiply it, it will be equal to cos square theta equal to minus sine square theta, isn't it? Now take sine square theta towards the right hand side, sorry, left hand side, so it will become cos square theta plus sine square theta, which is nothing but equal to 0. But it is not possible, because we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is always equal to 1, but they are showing the value 0, so it's not possible, isn't it? It is not at all possible. Now if a2 is 0, okay, now another case we are taking, that if a2 is equal to 0, okay, now if a2 equal to 0, it means that sine theta equal to 0, which implies that cos theta equal to 1 or minus 1, okay, which leads to the pair of equations plus minus 1 x equal to 1 plus minus plus 1 y equal to 2. So giving unique solutions, right? It is giving unique solutions. Similarly, b2 equal to 0 also gives unique solutions. Thus, the given pair of equations for any real theta always gives an unique solution, okay, always gives an unique solution. So this is our first question which we have solved. Now we will be heading towards the second question which we are supposed to do in this video, that is question number 11. So moving to question number 11. Now we have discussed question number 10. Now we will be heading towards question number 11. So let us discuss question number 11 of the same year, same paper, ISI BSTAT mathematics ISI BSTAT 2019 paper, question number 11. So let me write question number 11. In the range of x lying between 0 and 2 pi, the equation cos sin x equal to half has option A 0 solution, option B 2 solution, option C 4 solution, or is it option D infinitely many solutions? So these are simple questions which is given to us. Now the question is very short and the answer, the solution will also be very short. Okay, so let me do it. In the interval 0 x 2 pi cos x dash equal to half, for x dash equal to pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3, okay, we know half is when it is 60 and 5 pi by 3. Now if for 0 less than equal to s less than equal to 2 pi, cos sin x equal to half sin x must take either pi by 3 or 5 pi by 3, either of which are not possible, since sin x is always less than or equal to 1. Less than or equal to 1, while both pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3 are greater than 1. Hence it has no solution. So the correct option for this question will be this correct option. So this was our question number 11, which we have discussed. Now moving to the third question, which we are supposed to do now. The third question, that is question number 12. So let me write question number 12 here. Question number 12 goes something like this, that a particle is allowed to move in the xy plane by choosing any of the two jumps. So two alternative jumps are there, and a particle is allowed to move in the xy plane by choosing any of the two jumps. So the two jumps are, the first jump is move 2 units to the right, move 2 units to the right and 1 unit up. 1 unit up, that is AB A plus 2 B plus 1, to move 2 units up and 1 unit right, that is AB A plus 1 B plus 2. Okay, now let P equal to 3063 and Q equal to 100. If the particle start at the origin, then which of the options are correct? So we have got 4 options. Option A, P is reachable but not Q, Q is reachable but not P. Both P and Q are reachable. Or is it option D, that neither P nor Q are reachable? So this is the question. Now we'll be moving towards the solution of this question. Okay, so we have discussed the question. Now we'll be heading towards the solution part of this question, and trust me, the solution is going to be very interesting, because this is one of the most interesting questions of ISI BSTAT 2019 paper. So let us solve this question. Okay, so let us use jump 1 and jump 2 to reach 3063 from 0, 0. Okay, so let us use a jump 1 and jump 2 to reach 3063 from origin 0 0. Now after doing a jump 1 and B jump 2, after A doing jump 1, after A doing jump 1 and B doing jump 2, the final position is 2A plus B and A plus 2B. Okay, now if the final position coincides with this point 3063, what does it mean? It means that our 2A plus B is equal to 30 and A plus 2B is equal to 63. On solving this simultaneously, 2A plus B equal to 30 and A plus 2B equal to 63. Okay, so let us multiply the above part with 2, so it will be 4A plus 2B equal to 60, and this will be A plus 2B equal to 63. Subtracting, we will get 3A equal to minus 3, so A equal to minus 1. Now this putting this A in this value, that is minus 1 equal to 63 minus 2B, so 2B is coming to be 63 2B is coming to be 63 plus 1, that is 2B equal to 64, therefore B equal to 32. So A equal to 1 and B equal to 32. Okay, A equal to 1, minus 1, B equal to 32. This is coming, but since there is no step corresponding to minus 1, okay, but since there is no step corresponding to minus 1, thus 3063 is not reachable. 3063 is not at all reachable, because minus step cannot be possible, isn't it? So that step is not possible. Now we have to look for something else. So now proving that Q is not reachable is easier. Okay, so let us prove that Q is not easier, so that one option will be correct. Okay, so proving, we notice that after P jump 1 and Q jump 2, the final position is 2P plus Q, P plus 2Q. Thus the sum of coordinates is 3P plus 3Q. If we take 3 common, it will be P plus Q. So the sum of coordinates must be divisible by 3, which is not the case with theta 100. Okay, with theta 100. The sum of coordinates must be divisible by 3, but when it's 100, it cannot be divisible by 3. So both are not reachable. It's the correct option of this question. So you see that in this video we have solved 3 questions of from ISI BSTAT 2019 paper. 3 questions which we solved are question 12, 11 and 10. Three important questions we have solved. We have given you complete solution. I have written all the steps, that is step by step explanation I have given. Step by step explanations have been provided in this video to you all, and all the concepts I think are now clear, because I have discussed the concepts as well, and some basic theories are also discussed, and these were very interesting questions, and you'll feel the zeal to solve these questions. Okay, so I hope you understood this video, you understood all these three questions, but still if you have any kind of doubts, any kind of queries in your mind, then please don't keep those queries and doubts in your mind. Call us or WhatsApp us, anything. The number is same, 9836 793 076. This is our number. You can call us at this number, or you can WhatsApp us at this number. Anything you can do. And for further information, if you want to get about Saurav's classes, then you can visit this website, www.sauravsarclasses.com. and if you visit this website, you can get further information about our classes. And for watching this video, a lot of thanks from my side. Thank you, students.